Hello, today we want to talk about how you can be able to merge your documents. You merge these documents and you can change this to normal, not no longer numeric value, that is Roman numerals, back to normal numeric value. Let's say from 1 to 3. So from here, you just come down to the end of your document like this if you have your document. And then the document you want to merge, you want it to start from this page, and then this number will change, it will stop here, then this page will start from 1 here. So now select here, look at the beginning here, come to insert. Under insert, come to object. Under this object, look at this drop down section here, click on it, come to text. Then now I'm looking for my file. This is final project. That's the file I want to merge. I need to maintain. Click on insert. It has inserted in. So then scroll back to the beginning where it is, where it started. So you can see this is where it started. And then so you want from here to change from this 10 to normal numeral. So from here, select up here, come to layout, come to break, then come to next page. Click on this next page here. So for you to confirm that these have been separated, come to home, then come to this show or hide. Show, then you can see that there's a section break in between here, that to indicate that you have done it. Then close it back. Then at this juncture, just scroll down, double click here. When you double click at this point, then link to previous. Then the next thing, you come to your page numbering here, come to your format page numbering, change to normal numbering, and then change this to start from 1 and click on OK. So you can now see it has changed. Then close. If you scroll upwards, and you can see that here is in Roman numerals, and then here is in normal numbers. So thank you, and I hope to see you at the top. And if you love this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe and support us.